Welcome, friends, and thank you for joining me for this self-care meditation. I invite you to find a quiet place where you can settle into a comfortable position. You may choose to sit up or lie down if that is more comfortable for you. As you sit, imagine your spine straightening and lengthening, yet still remaining relaxed and comfortable. And you can place your hands on your lap or on your stomach. And when you are ready, let's take a deep breath in together, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Breathing in deeply, holding it for just a moment, and then as you open your mouth, relax your shoulders as you breathe out. And as you allow yourself to begin to settle into your practice, you can let your eyes close if you want, or choose to focus on something in front of you. As you allow your body to become still and relaxed, and letting your breath return to its natural rhythm. You don't have to control it. Just taking a moment to settle in and to notice your body. Taking time to become aware of how our body is feeling. Just taking notes, adjusting ourselves to become a little more comfortable. Feeling your body relax, noticing the weight of your arms and your legs. Noticing how your torso moves with each breath in and out. Feeling your jaw relax. Dropping your tongue from the roof of its mouth. And begin to notice any sounds that are around you. You don't have to identify them. You don't have to name them. You don't have to wonder why they are happening. Just notice that some sounds are far away, and that some sounds might be closer to you. Then begin to notice your breathing. Noticing how the air feels when it touches our nostrils. Imagining that you can follow that path of breath as it goes up into your body and down to your lungs. Feeling your lungs expand and contract. Feeling your ribs rise and fall with each breath. That natural rhythm, that natural process that happens every day without us noticing it at all. That breath that gives us life, that breath that gives us energy, that breath that keeps our heart beating. And now take a moment to visualize yourself. You could be as you are right now, or you could visualize yourself in a place that makes you happy, in a place that is special to you. And see if you can think of a time when you were happy. It may be something recently. It may be a memory from your childhood. It's not important to hold on to all the details, but to remember the feeling of being happy. And as you are remembering that feeling, quietly repeat these phrases to yourself. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be free. Now visualize someone that is special to you. It could be anyone. Imagine them smiling and laughing. Maybe you are holding their hand or giving them a hug. And as you are remembering them, quietly send them this special wish. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be free. Now think about someone that you do not know very well. A coworker, a neighbor, someone that you pass daily or weekly or even just once. Take a moment to see if you can connect with that person and visualize them with a smile on their face. And send them a wish too. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be free. And you can do this as often as you want, picturing another person, another friend, another stranger, and sending them those wishes. And as you repeat these phrases, notice how you were feeling. That feeling of loving kindness, that feeling of acceptance and tenderness for ourselves and others, that is metta. Embrace that feeling for a few more moments. And when you are ready, you can let go of this practice and bring yourself back to awareness. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you, friends, for joining me today. May peace and love go with you throughout your day.